everybody! I'm Miss Amelia, and it is still summertime here in Chicago, so I thought you could come with me on one of my favorite summertime activities. Grumble, grumble, grumble. Oh no! My tummy is grumbling, which means I am feeling hungry. Chicago is known for lots of yummy foods, like Chicago hot dogs or deep dish pizza. But in the summertime, my favorite place to go is the farmer's market. Here we have farmer's markets all over the city in lots of different neighborhoods, selling all sorts of fruits and vegetables, cookies and baked goods, bagels and meat to take home and grill up later. The farmer's market is a place where our communities come together, where we can see friends and visit with family. The farmer's market is my favorite summer activity, and I was hoping we could go together. We can? Great! Like I said, there's a farmer's market in my neighborhood. I don't need to drive or take the bus or the train. I can walk there. So let's go for a little walk. Shall we? It goes like this. Let's all walk to the farmer's market. Let's all walk to the farmer's market. Let's all walk to the farmer's market. What will we see today? Let's all walk to the farmer's market. Let's all walk to the farmer's market. Let's all walk to the farmer's market. We walk and stop. Stop! I know, when we're going for a walk, we gotta make sure our eyes and ears are ready for anything. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? My favorite days to go to the farmer's market are when it's not too hot, not too cold, and the sun is shining. Can you reach your arms up to the sun and maybe shine along? Oh yes, the sun is shining at the farmer's market. The sun is shining at the farmer's market. The sun is shining at the farmer's market. What will we see today? Let's keep walking. Oh, let's all walk to the farmer's market. Let's all walk to the farmer's market. Let's all walk to the farmer's market. What will we see today? The farmer's market is a great place to meet up with friends and see people from our community. Can you wave hello to the people you see? Oh yes, we'll wave to our friends at the farmer's market. Wave to your friends at the farmer's market. Wave to your friends at the farmer's market. Hi, Joey. Oh, what will we see today? Let's all walk to the farmer's market. Let's all walk to the farmer's market. Let's all walk to the farmer's market. We walk and stop. Oh no, if we don't hurry up, all the cookies from the cookie stall might be gone. Let's hurry. Oh, can you run to the farmer's market? Oh yes, we'll run to the farmer's market. Oh, we can run to the farmer's market. We run and stop. Stop! Oh. There's plenty left. One last time, let's all walk to the farmer's market. Let's all walk to the farmer's market. Let's all walk to the farmer's market. We walk and stop. Yay! Oh, my friends, look at all this bounty. There are stables filled with fruits, filled with vegetables, people making sandwiches and crepes, iced coffee for us grown-ups, and lemonade for you kids. Oh, it's a great place to come. I was hoping for something freshly picked. These farmers come from all over our state and our region to bring us the freshest produce they picked, maybe even just that day. And so I was thinking of sharing some of my favorite fruits and vegetables with you. I like to eat apples and bananas. Do you like to eat apples and bananas too? You do? Well, I have a song about apples and bananas to share with you. I'm going to use my shaky instruments to help us make a beat, but you can pat on your lap, on the floor, or find something else to shake with. And we'll say, I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 But what about the other fruits and veggies? How about mangoes and pineapples? Ooh, can we sing it like that? I like to eat mangoes and pineapples. I like to eat mangoes and pineapples. What about the berries? I like to eat strawberries and blueberries. I like to eat strawberries and blueberries. Should we get some veggies going too? Maybe some cucumbers and carrots. I like to eat cucumbers and carrots. I like to eat cucumbers and carrots. But you know what I really want? Apples and bananas. One more time. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 Yummy. Oh. Now, there's lots of fruits and veggies at the farmer's market, but the sun is shining and it's starting to get a little hot. Oh no, my friends, on a hot summer day, there is one food I like the best, and that is ice cream. And I have an ice cream song I want to sing with you. Ice cream is one of my favorite foods during the summertime, and sometimes our farmer's market even has its own ice cream truck or ice cream stand. So let's see if we can share some ice cream with our friends today. This is a little ice cream song I made up a few years ago when I was really hungry. It goes, I want ice cream for dinner, I want ice cream for lunch, I want ice cream a little, I want ice cream a bunch. Ice cream in the morning, ice cream at night, please, I want a bite. I want ice cream in a cup or ice cream in a cone, ice cream with my friends or all alone, ice cream when I'm wrong or when I'm right, please, I want a bite. Won't you please, please, please give me one small bite? Chocolate or vanilla, it'll taste just right. Oh, won't you please, please, please give me one small bite? I want some ice cream, please. Do you know the sign language for please? When you want to say please, you can put your hand right here on your chest and give it a little rub. That's how we can say please. Please, please, please give me one small bite. Chocolate or vanilla, it'll taste just right. Oh, won't you? Please, please, please give me one small bite. I want some ice cream, please. I want ice cream when I'm happy, ice cream when I'm sad, ice cream when I'm good, even ice cream when I'm bad. Ice cream in the morning, ice cream at night. Please, I want a bite. Oh, won't you please, please, please give me one small bite. Chocolate or vanilla, it'll taste just right. Oh, won't you please, please, please give me one small bite. I want some ice cream, please. Oh, I want some ice cream, please. My friends, I hope you have a delicious day, and next time you go to the farmer's market, tell me about what you find there. If there's anything extra delicious, I want to hear about it. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Mwah! Bye.